Good morning. I am Shravenikam from SS Nikam English School, and today I am thrilled to stand before you to discuss an innovative approach towards energy generation, the conversion of manual energy into electric energy using my hand operated electricity generator. This project not only showcases the principles of science and technology but also highlights the importance of renewable and clean energy in our rapidly evolving world. As you know, electricity is the best gift of science to mankind. Especially now that we have entered the 21st century, there is hardly anything that does not work on electricity. It powers our homes, industries, and technology. But however, the way we produce electricity has a profound impact on the environment. The burning of fossil fuels to produce electricity contributes to climate change and greenhouse gas emissions. So, it is high time we explore alternative methods of producing energy which are cleaner, more sustainable, and accessible to all. This model is based on the basic principles of physics called electromagnetic induction, discovered by Michael Faraday in the 19th century. As you can see in the figure, when you coil a copper wire around an iron rod and then move it into the magnetic field of two or more magnets or any changing magnetic field, it can induce an electric current to flow through the wire. The iron rod inside the coil enhances its magnetic properties and makes the magnets more effective. Copper is often used as a coil because it is an excellent conductor of electricity. As you can see, this iron rod is connected to the handle, which is the same in this box. So when I rotate this handle, it is producing electricity to charge the phone as well as light the LED lamp. As you can see, it is producing 5 to 9 volts at a time. This principle is the basis for many operations like many types of generators, transformers, and even some types of microphones. The energy produced by this can also be stored in the battery using a resistor and a diode. This stored electricity can be used in times like the Nisarg Cyclone 2020, which happened in my area. Our project demonstrates that even the simplest of ideas can have a profound impact on the environment. So let's think creatively and make this world a better place. Thank you.